Explore this insightful video including a PowerPoint deck to ensure your next business strategy presentation has all the professional nuances. Use this PowerPoint layout to showcase how you plan to give your company an advantage in the market with an analysis of factors like cost, differentiation, and scope. Download and equip yourself with the ultimate tool set for business success, the Business Strategy PowerPoint Deck. Also, get up to 15% off with click on link below. Demonstrate your commitment to improving customer company any relationships through the 6-step process outlined in the presentation template. Download this PowerPoint deck to lay out your plan to expand the business through diversification. Depict your plans for horizontal, conglomerate, concrete, and vertical diversification. Display the framework for developing a business strategy from scratch. Use this PPT slide to get from where you are to where you want your business to be. With our ready-made resource, you can use visuals to identify and work upon the key elements of the market strategy for your stakeholders. Showcase your strategic vision like a pro with our Business Strategy PPT module. Click to access your templates pack today. Implement your new strategy with our PPT deck. From expansion strategy to resource gaps, everything is covered. Assign roles and responsibilities well for automation, data analytics, digital marketing, and human resources with this set. And give a bird's eye view to the audience on business strategies, even as you showcase types of growth such as market penetration, product improvements, and cost optimization. This PPT layout presents the 4 steps you need to implement for a continuity plan. These are business impact analysis, recovery strategies, plan development, and testing and controlling. For more such PowerPoint resources, visit www.slideteam.net.